Steamer Cambridge head, microphone. And their audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am highly honored to be a participant today of this health station, and how much would be expressed on this day regarding my tuition would be the least. As you know that today our seniors completed language, and really much pleasure has been got by me by seeing our seniors health station. And how they be a senior? By their hard work, by consistency, by dedication. And like them can we become anybody here by following the path of smart work, by following the path of dedication, by following the path of consistency. You know which the biggest thing I observe in the seniors, that is controlling their emotion. Whenever they make conversation, they always make conversation seriously. They never do joking or something else while making conversation, because they know that if we will do joking, if we will laugh, so what juniors will learn by us. Becoming senior is not so difficult, but staying senior is so difficult. That is different than becoming senior. If you want to be a senior, so for that reason you can do hard work for 4 months, for 4 years, maybe you will be a senior. But after that, if you will not maintain this while making conversation here, and if you will do joking or something else, so you lost your respect. Always make conversation seriously. That's the biggest thing which is present in the senior. As you know that many juniors and also seniors in this class, whenever they make conversation, maybe they don't make conversation sometimes seriously. You know, when they laugh or doing something else while making conversation, after that they pose questions. Do you think that it is good thing to do joking or to do something while making conversation? Do you think it improve our interest? Even how it can improve our interest? Maybe it improve your interest, but there are many, they lost their interest for making conversation. So what about them? So you tell that, do you think it's important, how it's important to do joking or something else while making conversation? It's not good. By it, lost your respect and also you lost your time as well as those persons who make conversation with you. So always make conversation seriously and be strong. As you know that many juniors, they told us that how we can make conversation, we fear. If we will do mistake, so seniors will laugh on us. They will never laugh on you because they know that when we came here that time we was also like them. So why they will laugh on you? Yeah. As you know that many juniors, they have fear. If we will fail, so what happens? They will laugh on us, they will insult us. So they never insult us because they know that when we came here that time was also like them. And also many people, your friends, your schoolmates, your school teachers know what they will do on you. They will nowadays they are also doing gaslighting on you. You know what's gaslighting? They create doubts on your mind. You know what they will tell you? For example, if you want to be a doctor, they will tell you how you can be a doctor. You know that how you can be a doctor. You know there are millions of students. When they will create doubts on your mind, you think that yes, that's the reality. No. You know what they will create on your mind? For example, if you want to be a doctor, they will tell you there are millions of students. So how you can create NEET exam? And also, if your aim is becoming a teacher, something else, becoming a doctor, whatever you want to be, you know what they will tell you? They will tell you, you know, I realize something on you. You look like a celebrity, so you can be a celebrity. Upload reels on Instagram, they will destroy your life. Actually, it is not your aim, it is your friend's aim. They create doubts on your mind, they will destroy your life as soon as possible. And if there is someone who will be gaslighting on you, so as soon as possible, leave them, that they will destroy your life. You know, also, it's find in teachers. You know, teacher, as you know that maybe you can imagine, in your school there are many juniors, but there are there are also those students who are not good in study. You know what they tell them? When they have any kind of mistake, they tell them, one day you will be a bread maker, one day you will be a driver, one day you will be a conductor. As you know that it changed in the reality. How it changed in the reality? Not because of teacher said it, it changed in the reality because of your mind. Because you set your mind, you recapture these things in your mind. One day you will do, because teacher told us, you will be you will be a bread maker, so we will be, you know that it changed the reality, not because teacher said it, because of your mindset, because you also set your mind like it, and for that reason it happened with you. So always be strong. As you know that Bill Gates told that I always choose those persons for my complicated work. I always choose a lazy person for complicated workers because he told that lazy person always find easier for doing complicated work. So don't be lazy. Be strong. So don't be lazy, be strong, then no one can use you. And be strong and strong your aim and whatever you want to be. So do those type of works. As you know that if you think that a lot of students are told that if I fail, they want to take NEET exam, after that they use if. If we fail, we will we open medical store. I will do something else because they don't have a strong their aim. They think that if we will fail, they use if here. So it means it's not their future plan. If we will fail, so we will open medical shop. It is their doubts on their mind. It is their confusion. Because they don't have a clear their goal. But what they are doing, they think that if we will fail, it means it is not future plan, it is doubts on their mind. It means they don't have a perfect mind, they have a confusion on their mind because they use if. Always remove if and be strong and whatever you want to be. So do hard work for that. And always accept the pain. Don't fear. Don't think that if I fail, so what happens? If I do those kind of things, so what happens? Always be strong. As you know that every successful person has a painful story, and every painful story has a successful ending. So accept the pain and be prepared for success. That if you fail, what happens? So as if you wanna whatever you wanna be, if you really you wanna achieve success, if really you wanna meet a person who can change your life, so look in the mirror. There's a person who can change your life. Without that person, no one can change your life. With your teachers, your parents, no one can change your life without that person. If really it's your desire, so you should look in the mirror. There's a person who can change your life. Without that person, no one can change your life. Always. Whatever you wanna be, so strong, kept a strong aim, and whatever you wanna do hard work like that. Don't do those type of things which is not best for you. Always be prepared. Accept the pain. Maybe you will fail many times. So accept those things. Whenever you will fail, you learn something by failure. Don't think that if I fail, what I will do. If I fail, so I don't regret yourself for that reason. Whatever you wanna be, so be prepared for that and always think positively. End of this lecture, I wanna our seniors, whenever spare time is here by them, so come here for making conversation with us. We are in recognition of them, and still we are in recognition of them. Whenever spare time is here by them, so come here for making conversation with us.